Welcome to DreamHomes Tour, Luxury Design, the channel where exclusive luxury home tour meet stunning architectural design. Today, we invite you to step inside a luxury mansion in Surrey, United Kingdom, starting with a breathtaking entrance that sets the tone for elegance. Don't forget to subscribe for more luxury house tour, dream mansions, and design inspiration. As you approach, the first impression is unforgettable. The custom horse-themed wooden gates are not just an entrance, but a statement of prestige and artistry. These gates combine craftsmanship and creativity, reflecting the timeless charm of Surrey's countryside estates. Once inside, the grandeur continues, from the perfectly landscaped driveway to the mansion's architectural details. Every element has been designed to embody both tradition and modern luxury. This is more than a house tour. It's a journey through refined living. If you enjoyed this glimpse of luxury design and dream homes, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Dream Homes Tour Luxury Design. Share your thoughts below and tell us, would you love to walk through these iconic gates every day?